Looking to locate your MAC address in Windows 11? In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Although it might not seem crucial in your day-to-day activities, the MAC address of your PC plays a vital role. It's essentially the unique identifier for your computer on a network, enabling it to access online services. To locate your MAC address in Windows 11, simply press the Windows key and I to open the Settings app on your device. From there, select Network and Internet from the left panel, and then navigate to Advanced Network Settings. Click on Hardware and Connection Properties to proceed. Here, scrolling down to the end, you'll find the physical address, MAC, listed under the network connection you're using. You can easily copy it if needed. This video is designed to assist you in locating the MAC address in Windows 11. For comprehensive tech solutions, consider subscribing to Guiding Tech. Additionally, feel free to explore one of our curated videos for further insights.